Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I'm here with a very different type of video than usual. So tonight, I'm here with Asher. He's just sitting on the floor playing with some little toys, just in case you hear him every now and then. So I'm doing this because my scalp has been very itchy. It has been burning me at times, and my hair is dry as a bone. Like, it's crunchy feeling. It looks bad. Like, I'm over it. So someone actually commented on my last video telling me if my scalp is so sensitive and just feeling so tender to the smallest and slightest things, that more than likely it's because you need a protein treatment. So I took that and I actually did some research and I found other people that had the same symptoms that I had, and they did a protein treatment and it made the world of difference. So that's why I'm doing one today, because I'm desperate. I need to fix this problem. So I'm actually going to be using the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. And the first step is actually for me to wash my hair. So I'm going to do that in a couple minutes. And then the second step, which will be the first step of the actual protein treatment, is to apply this to my hair. So I'm going to read the instructions thoroughly, and then I'm going to actually pour this into a little spray bottle that I have. Okay, you guys, so I just finished washing my hair, and now I'm just trying to blot dry, and then I'll apply step 1 of the protein treatment. So this stuff does not spray out like a spray. It's like it drips out almost like an oil. So just keep that in mind when you guys do this, okay? You'll probably still put it in a spray bottle or one of those bottles where you can just kind of squeeze it for it to pour out. But yeah, that caught me off guard. So I lost a couple drops of the treatment on my bathroom floor. Alright, so I just finished blow drying my hair so that my locks will dry with the protein treatment on top, and they feel dry. They feel pretty stiff and crunchy, but to be honest with you, I feel like I'm already seeing a difference, because when I look at my ends, the ends that have the curls look so much curlier and more hydrated. So now I'm going to rinse it out. Okay, so step 1 is complete, and now I'm going to move on to step 2, which is applying the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer. So 2 minutes has passed, and now it's time to rinse this out. Okay, so I'm finally done using the protein treatment. Step 1 and step 2, my hair is now clean and treated. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I can definitely tell you that I feel a difference, if that makes sense. So I know my hair is still a little damp. I'll definitely show you guys what my hair looks like once I'm completely done. Like, I'm actually going to be doing a retwist, and I'll be using a leave-in conditioner. I will not be putting it on my scalp because you guys already know everything pretty much irritates my scalp. So I'll be using that just on the length of my locks, and let's see how that goes. That's supposed to actually help condition the hair and act as a humectant and draw in moisture from the air, so my hair should stay hydrated and it should look hydrated and feel hydrated. So we'll see how that works, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to use in a moment. I will say this because I don't know what's going to happen over the next few days, but when I was putting step 1 of the Aphogee treatment, protein treatment on my hair, the very front of my scalp, so the problem area where I normally break out and have my seborrheic dermatitis episode, that area was actually starting to sting. So I'm not sure if it was due to the protein treatment, but we'll see how it feels over the course of the next few days. I'll definitely let you guys know. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I will be using. I'm sorry for the glare. There we go. Okay, so it's called Biotera, and it's supposed to be like 97% natural. I'll leave the exact full name in my description box below, so you guys can reference that and go check it out. I got this from Sally's Beauty, and I've never used this before. I've never used this brand before, but I like the fact that it is gluten-free since I am allergic to wheat. And there's no dyes, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So, and it's color safe for those that color their hair, and it's biodegradable. So we'll see. I like the way it smells. It smells really nice. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my hand. There we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna rub this, like I said, on the length of my locks. I'm actually gonna just squeeze it in. So my hair looks and feels so much better to me. Like, wow, it's like night and day compared to how it looked before I started. So I know it is still damp, and you're seeing some of that on camera. But I will definitely come back and show you guys once my hair is completely dry and retwisted. And like I said, I'm not going to use the leave-in conditioner on my scalp or my roots, but I will just use water like I've always done and just wet my roots a little bit and do a light retwist. And yeah, then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like, and hopefully you all love it. I know so far I do. Alright guys, I'll be back soon. It is the next day, and I retwisted my hair last night, and then I put on my satin scarf. So I couldn't film the next part of this video last night because my son was sleeping. I didn't want to wake him up. But yeah, let's see what it looks like, you guys. I'm so excited. is what it looks like when I have a very fresh retwist. And I learned that I do have some baby hairs. See them right So yeah, this is what conditioned and protein treated locks look like. I will say that I am pleased with the results. My hair does, it feels like a sponge now instead of like Brillo. So overall, I am very glad that I did that protein treatment, and I'm also glad that I got that leave-in conditioner because it smells great, but it also makes my hair feel great too. One other thing that I did that I didn't do on camera last night, after I put in the leave-in conditioner, I grabbed a little less than a quarter size of grapeseed oil. I rubbed it in my hands and I just put it on my ends, and that was it. I'm not gonna put any more oil in it because it'll be just unnecessary. My scalp feels fine for once. It's not burning. I don't feel that little stinging sensation that I told you guys about last night that I felt like right in the front areas. I don't feel anything there, so that's a plus. I didn't retwist too tight. I know you can see a lot of scalp, but that's because my hair is fine, so that's why it looks that way. I did my 2-step protein treatment, and here are the results. And if you think you may need to do a protein treatment, definitely do your research. And if you are really not sure about what you're doing, I would just advise for you to go to a professional that does. Or you can just read the instructions thoroughly and follow them to a T. And then you should be fine. So that concludes this video. I hope you all have enjoyed. I hope I taught you something through my experience. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it if you feel like someone else may need to see it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!